In this Hackerrank solution, I'm going to show you that we can do bigger operations in Python. Python can be your calculator that is able to calculate very, very, very large numbers. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. Let's see what this one is about. It's an easy one. I'm pretty sure all of you can get this right. But I'm just going to show you how to solve this problem and how to think about it from the very easy things to a very difficult tasks to solve. So stay tuned on my channel. If you've been a visitor to my channel, you will know that I've got Hackerrank on the left-hand side and I've got Jupyter Notebook on the right-hand side. It helps me solve the problem for you and give you more examples if you like. This is the problem we are dealing with today. Integers come in all sizes. Let's see what the question actually is. I'll extend my Hackerrank. Integers in Python can be as big as the bytes in your machine's memory. So that's a lot of bytes in my machine's memory. As we know, the result of a power b grows really, really fast. Yes, that's an exponential function. The task today is to read four numbers, like this example here, 9, 29, 7, 27. Once we read those four numbers, a, b, c, and d, print the result of a power b plus c power d. That's what we're going to be doing. So receive four numbers, and it's literally a very simple calculation. So let me take you to my Jupyter lab, and I'll show you how to solve it. We will paste it back into Hackerrank. This should be a very quick video. So for me to be able to receive a from the user, I will use the input function. But just remember from my input function video, the link is up the top right, that input function will give you a string. We are dealing with numbers here. We can't use strings. I will have to take this one and convert it to an integer for me to be able to get that into a mathematical operation pretty easily. I'm a lazy person. I'll copy that, paste, and paste down here. I'll call this one B, I'll call this one C, and I'll call this one D. Let me run that. I want to just replicate this example from Hackerrank. So I'll type 9, 29, 7, and 27. Now, the mathematical operation I should be doing, I will call it the result, which will be the power of A and B, that's the first statement, plus the power of C and D. If you ask me, the POW is the power function. It's a built-in function in Python. You don't have to import anything. It understands it. And all you need to do now is to print the result. And I have to spell print correctly. If I show you, the result is a humongous number. Look at that number. I don't know how to read that number, but it looks like it exactly matches this result from Hackerrank's expectation. So what I will do right now, I'll just copy those 4 lines of code, bring them down here, and I'll copy those 2 lines of code and paste it here. Let me extend this to the right, run the code, and keep my fingers crossed. That one was successful. If I submit the code, 2 more test cases, all successful. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. They might benefit from it. You never know. And feel free to ask me any questions in the comments area down below. Thank you.